Congratulations on getting a new pair of orthotics. I hope you enjoy them. I have a pair right here. I'm going to show you. These devices are custom made for your foot. The way that you want to use these is you want to put them in your shoe, wear them for a couple hours, take them out, start over the next day. They're a little bit uncomfortable usually when you start wearing them for most people because we're trying to put your foot in a little bit new position. So it's different than what you're used to. Generally they work best in a tennis shoe or a shoe that has a lace up top. These orthotics are a tool to help biomechanically control your pain. Your pain, almost all foot and ankle pain, is related to how your foot functions. So this is an effort to have an external device that controls the way your foot works. If you wear it appropriately, most of the time it's very effective at helping your symptoms. It may not solve all your problems, but it usually solves most of them. Remember that it's a tool, it's a piece of the puzzle. If your doctor's giving you other things to do, you want to go ahead and continue doing those, such as stretching exercises or medications. This device also, frequently, some people wear them and then they'll go, gee, after 6 or 7 hours my feet get tired in them. And that's okay too. Just take them out and start over the next day. Don't worry about that. Sometimes your foot just needs a change. The last thing is these orthotics some people like them so much they want to get a second pair. The good news is you can get a second pair for $250. Currently it's a substantial discount because we don't have to rescan you and resend them in. So if you decide you want to get another pair to go in another pair of shoes, then that's certainly available. Just give us a call and we can get those ordered for you. Thanks a lot for purchasing our orthotics. I appreciate it.